Question 16 throws us a probability question. We've got 4 red counters, 5 green, and, well, I've worked out that it's 6 yellow because there are 15 counters in the box. Nicholas takes a counter from the box, writes down the colour, puts it back, and then Sasha takes over and also takes a counter from the box, notes the colour. What's the probability that they both have the same colours? Well, I've popped on the 3 roots of the probability tree that we need. Because in a way, it doesn't matter that we've got 2 people having choices of counters. It can be the same person. So the probability of picking a red counter will be 4 over 15. The probability of picking another red counter, because the red counter's gone back in, will be another 4 over 15. And for green, it will be 5 over 15, and 5 over 15. And for yellow, 6 over 15, and 6 over 15. So to get to the end of the second branch of red, the probability will be 16 over 15 times 15, which is 225. A double green will be 25 over 225. And a double yellow, 36 over 225. Now, they don't care what the colours are, so long as they're the same. So the probability of getting 2 reds or 2 greens or 2 yellows will be this lot added up. So the probability of 2 times red or 2 times green or 2 times yellow is equal to 16 plus 25 plus 36 all over 225. And this turns out to be 77 over 225. And that will be your answer.